April 23rd. Okay, so what did we do yesterday? Who can see on the screen? What did we do yesterday, Dan?
Sound long E.
Sound long E. Good. Read out the words for me that you see.
Knee. Tree. Free.
Good. Well done. Knee, tree, and free. Very good. And can anyone else remember any words that have long E? How about Jason?
Bee.
Bees. Yeah, well done. That's one we did yesterday. Very good. Bees, like bumblebee. Good job. Hands up if you remember any more words from yesterday with long E. Big Splash?
Beach.
Beach. Very good. How do you spell beach? Do you remember?
B. B. E-I-C-H.
Very good. B-E-A-C-H. Remember, also E-A is the same sound as E-E, beach. Yeah?
And one E too.
And one E too. Give me a word with one E.
Me.
Me. Very good. Good job, Big Splash. You remember very well. Thomas, hello. Okay, tell me a word from yesterday. What do you remember?
Deal.
Again?
D-E-I-L.
Very good. Deal. Like if you make a deal with someone. Yeah? Very good. Good job, Thomas. So today we are going to continue with phonics. And so it's the same sound as yesterday. The sound is long E. Okay? So who remembers what long E sounds like? Put your hand up. To Ang.
E.
E. Very good. Tell me a word with E.
B.
B. Very good. Well done. How about John? Hello, John.
Hello, Miss Claire.
Hello. Do you remember any words from yesterday with long E?
Beach.
Beach. Very good. Excellent. Beach is a very nice one. Well done. Okay, so let's learn some new words today that also have long E, okay? Okay, hands up if you want to tell me what this one is. What can you see, Lily?
I see some beans.
You see some beans. Very good. Let's see if you're right. Okay, Lily, look at the screen. Does this word have long E? Bean.
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Long E is here. We spell it E-A. Very good. Okay, let's check the next one. What can you see, everyone? Rio, what can you see?
C.
The C. Very good. How do we spell C?
S-A-I.
Good. S-E-A. And does it have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. And we spell it E-A. Well done. Good job, Rio. Next one. What can you see here? Hands up. Who knows? Jason, what is it?
A team.
A team. Well done. This one
Team
is a...
soccer.
Okay. Is this the Vietnam team?
Yes.
Yeah? Very good. Okay. Does team have long E?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Team. Very good. Do you like this team?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's check the next one. What is this? Remember when we went to our field trip and we put these in the ground? What are they? Susie, do you remember?
Seed plants.
Well done. We planted some seeds. Does it have long E, Susie?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. How do we spell it?
E.
Good. E-double-E. Seed. It has long E. Well done. Okay, I think this is the last one. Alex. Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Hello. What is this?
It's a knee.
It's a knee. How do you spell knee? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
That's okay. This one is difficult. There you go. You can spell it now.
K-N-E-E.
Very good. K-N-E-E. So this one has a silent K and then N-E-E. And long E is here. Okay, everyone? Okay, so now we have to circle the correct word. Let's see if you remember. Who can tell me what is this one? I will let everyone circle. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, well done. I think everyone knows it. Rio, what is it?
B.
It's a bee. Very good. It's a bee. And let's try the next one, everyone. Who can tell me this one? It's Perry. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
Teeth.
Teeth. Very good. How do you spell it?
Teeth.
Very good. Teeth. Well done. Okay, let's try the next one, everyone. What is this? Look what it's pointing to. I'll let you circle now. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, potato, what is it?
Beak.
It's a beak. Well done. How do you spell it?
B-E-A-K.
Good. B-E-A-K. It has long E sound. Good job, potato. And let's see if there's one more. Okay, Ben, let's do this one.
Seal.
Seal. Very good. How do you spell it?
S.
S.
A-E-I-L.
That's it. S-E-A-L. Well done. Seal. Okay, so let's look at the story that we started yesterday. Do you remember what the story was? So we started this one at the beach, but we didn't finish it, okay? So we're going to finish the story today. Let's remember what the story is called. Pony, what's the story called?
The story called At the Beach.
The story is called At the Beach. Again.
The story is called At the Beach.
Very good. The story is called At the Beach. What happened in this story? What were the children doing? Who remembers? Who remembers what the children were doing? Lily.
The children play in the beach.
Yeah, they were playing in the beach. Do you remember what they were collecting?
Shell.
Seashells. Very good. They were collecting seashells. Let's have a look and remember. So remember, first they were eating some yummy peaches at the beach, okay? And they have a green hat. And then they said that they take a walk and they hunt for shells. Who knows what hunt means? What is this word here, hunt? Jason.
Hunt me. We hunt something.
To hunt something? What does it mean? If I hunt for my pen, what am I trying to do?
I'm trying to hunt the shell. I look for the shell.
That's
I
it.
catch it and I carry home.
Very good. Excellent. If I hunt for something, I'm looking for something. Okay?
I hunt for rock.
I hunt for a walk.
Rock.
Oh, a rock. Yeah, you can hunt for a rock. Well done. Good job. Okay, Jason. And how many shells did they keep each, Dan?
5.
5. 5. Okay. They keep 5 shells each. Okay, thank you, Dan. And let's check the next one. Okay, what does it say here? Then we sit by the sea. I don't know if we read this page or not. Let's read it now. Robert, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, read this page.
Then we sit by the sea. Pete gets his feet wet. My feet get wet too. Splash, splash. We don't go in the sea. It's fun to just get wet feet.
Very good. You read very well. Well done. Okay, what does splash, splash, splash mean? Who remembers this one? Maybe Alex remembers? What makes the sound? What makes the sound splash?
The waves.
The waves. Very good. The waves or the water. They make a sound and it sounds like splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash. And they say they don't put their feet, they don't want to go in the water, they only let their feet get wet, okay? So it's also fun to sit on the sand and let your feet get wet. Okay, let's check the next one. Who can read this one for me? To Anne, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
We dig a hole. We dig holes. Dig, dig, dig. The sea runs in them. The holes fill up fast. We get wet sand.
Very good. We get wet sand. Good job. Okay, so thank you to Ang. Pony, are you ready? Tell me where the long E sounds are.
C.
C. Any more?
We.
We. Very good. Any more?
Finish.
That's it. Finish. Well done. Okay, so they are putting some holes in the sand and all the water is going inside. Who has done this before? When you make a hole and you let the water go inside? Who's done it before? Only Alex and Perry and Jason. Very good. It's very fun. Okay, so let me see. Perry, are you ready to read the next page?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this one.
We get a lot of wet sand. We make a neat sand beast.
A beast. Let me hear. Beast.
Beast.
Good. Do you know what a beast is?
No.
No, a beast. Who knows what a beast is? Put your hand up if you know. Thomas, what's a beast?
A monster.
Like a monster.
And it is very scary.
That's right. A monster that's very scary. Good job. This is a beast. Okay, Thomas, tell me where the long E sounds are.
We.
We.
We again.
We again.
Neat.
Neat.
Beast.
Beast. Well done. And neat, if you don't know what neat means that it's tidy, okay? If I tell you make your desk neat, it means make your desk tidy. Tidy up your desk, okay? And next one, let's hear from Susie. Susie, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, read this one.
The sand beast is like an eel. Maybe it's a snake. We run and jump over it.
Good, well done. The sand beast is like an eel. Do you know what an eel is, Susie?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
It's an animal that is like a snake, lives in the water.
Excellent, well done. It looks like a snake and it lives in the water. And this is what the children have made, a snake eel. Good job, Susie. Okay, who can tell me the long E sound? Big splash. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Beast.
Beast. Uh-huh.
Eel.
Eel.
We.
We.
Finish.
Finish. Very good. Thank you, Big Splash. Very good. Okay, let's see. So what are they doing? The sand beast is like an eel. Maybe it's a snake. And they run and jump over it. Looks very fun. And look what they've put inside the eel. What did they put to decorate it? How did they decorate the eel? Okay, Rico, what did they put inside the eel?
A starfish.
Yeah, they put some fish or maybe some shells. Good job.
Yeah.
So they decorated it to make it look beautiful. Well done. Okay, maybe this is the last page. Let's see who can read this one. How about John?
Then Pete has to go home. So do I. We have a lot of fun. We will meet at the beach next week.
Next week. Okay, show me this one. Let me see, John. Here, read the sentence. We had lots of fun.
We had a lot of fun.
Good. And this one is Meat.
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 Good, that's better. Well done, John. Okay. John, show me some long E sounds here.
Peat.
Peat.
Beach.
Beach. Any more?
May.
Again?
Meat.
Meat.
Home.
Home, does it have long E or is it long O? John, this one is long O, okay? Not long E. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think there's one more here. Put your hand up if you can see it. Perry, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, there's one more here. Where is it? Or maybe two.
Week.
Week. And one more.
We.
Okay, we. Well done. We. Okay, so then Pete has to go home. So do I. We had lots of fun. We will meet at the beach next week. So the children will come back to the beach next week and they will play again. Well done. Okay, who's ready to play? Are you ready? Hands up. Okay, let's play the game. Okay. So remember, we have to get some points here. We choose a question. The right answer will earn you points, and maybe you will play a bonus game. Good luck. Okay, where is my first player? Leo, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, choose a letter.
I choose D.
D, okay. Okay, read the question.
Which word does not have the long E? Bear.
Bear, well done. Let's see if you're right. Very good. Bear. B and me have long E. Okay, let's see. You get 5 points, Leo. Do you want to try for bonus? Yeah. Okay, you want to go left or right?
Right.
Okay. Wow, 7 more points. So you get 12 points. Well done. 12 points for you. Okay, who is next? Let me see who is ready. Ben, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose the letter.
G.
G.
Which word does not have long E? Sleep.
Which one? A, B, or C?
C.
Ah, it says does not have long E. Are you sure? Remember, long E is E.
Eat.
Eat. Eat also has long E. Try again. Slip.
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 But
Listen.
it don't have the letter E.
Yeah, but read the question then. Which word does not have long E? Okay? So, slip, it does not have long E. It's and then eat and sleep. Okay? So, no points this time, Ben. Sorry. Slip was the right answer. Okay? Okay, next one. Who is ready? Hey, Alex, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose a letter.
E.
E, this one?
Yes.
Okay. Read the question. Okay, it says, which word has the long E sound?
C.
C, very good. Well done. C. Okay, 3 points for Alex. Well done.
One.
Good job, Alex. Okay, who is next? Well, Rio, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, choose a letter.
B.
B. Sheep.
Sheep.
Yeah. Okay, well done. Sheep. And uh-oh. No points real, sorry. Okay, very good. Next one, who is ready? Let's have Thomas, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose a letter.
A.
A?
Yes.
Okay.
Which word has the long E? Tree.
Tree. Let's see if you're right. Yeah, well done. Tree. 2 points. You want to try for bonus?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, Thomas. Okay, you can choose 2 colors.
Green first.
Green first. This one. Switch points. You can switch points with someone. With Alex or Leo.
Who has 12 points?
Leo has 12 points.
I want to switch points with Leo.
Okay, so now you have his points. Sorry, Leo, you have 2 points. Okay, and choose another color, Thomas.
Gray.
Gray. This one.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. So you have 14, Thomas. And Leo has 2 points. Well done. Okay, who is next? To Ang, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose a letter.
F.
F. Which word has the long E sound?
Ear.
Ear. Let's see. Very good. Well done. Ear. How many? 2 points. You want to try for bonus?
Yes.
Okay. Left or right?
Left.
Left. Wow, 15 more points. Very good. You got 17. We have one more. Who's going to be the last player? Let me see. Robert, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose your letter.
C, because only C left.
Sorry. Okay, which word has the long E?
Tree.
Tree, it's already here. Okay, how many points? 2 points, Robert. And do you want to try bonus?
Yeah.
Okay, choose 2.
The red one.
The red. Let's see. Ooh, -5.
Ah,
And then another color?
yellow.
Yellow. +5. So you have 2 points. Okay, well done. Okay, that's the end of our game, everyone. Well done. Okay, the winner is Tuang. Yay! Well done. 17 points. Good job, Tuang. Okay, let's go back. I will show you your homework. So the homework, everyone, I have a quiz for you already. So you can do the quiz tonight on long E, okay? This is your homework. And remember, if you didn't do the test or if you haven't finished it, then you can do some of it today, okay? You have until Sunday to finish. And let's recap. Remember, recap means that we remember what we learned today. Who can tell me what we learned today?
We read books and
We read a book, yeah?
play a game.
Good. Which sound did we learn?
Long E sound.
Long E sound. Well done. Okay, that's the end of the lesson, everyone. Time to say goodbye. Okay, bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.